This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use shape format in PowerPoint step by step. Click the shape to reveal the shape format tab and start by changing the fill color and outline. Next, apply effects like shadow or glow to add depth and adjust size with exact measurements. Use the format pane for advanced options like gradient fills and precise positioning. I'll walk you through each step so your shapes look polished and consistent. Select a shape and open the Shape Format tab to experiment with fill types and outline styles in a friendly way. Try gradient fills for subtle depth, or use picture fills for branded shapes. Adjust outline weight and dash style to match your design, then add shadow or glow for emphasis. I'll explain simple combinations and how to undo changes so you can confidently style shapes without breaking your layout or color palette. After styling, focus on alignment and sizing to keep slides tidy and professional. Use align and distribute to space shapes evenly, and enter exact height and width values for consistency across slides. Group related shapes so you can move, copy, or format them together while preserving layout. I'll also show quick keyboard tips and how to nudge shapes precisely, making it faster to create balanced, well-aligned slides for any presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.